One of the things I love about working with Allen Tate is the people. They're fun to be with, but they're also professionals. So I have people that I can look up to, even though I've been in the business for over 10 years. We have a good time, we tease each other and so forth, but the people certainly make a huge difference of being at Allen Tate. It's a great office, really a lot of fun to work with.
They got our back. That is the beauty of Allen Tate and working with Allen Tate. We don't compete. We work together as a team. So when you hire an Allen Tate agent to sell your home or to show you a home, you've got the whole team behind you. And it's just a really good feeling to be part of.
If I had to make the same decision today on whether or not to join the Allen Tate team, I absolutely would make the same decision. I did a lot of research before I joined Allen Tate. I think what I love most about working at Allen Tate is that I can't get to work fast enough in the mornings. It is a wonderful environment, even in these challenging times. The tools that are provided, the attitude among other agents, the fact that we all challenge each other, we help to raise the bar for each other. There's a professional approach to this business. We're going to make it through whatever the market throws at us. We're going to have the tools to make the best of the situation, and we'll come out with the most market share, the most sales, and ultimately the most commissions.
One of the things that I really liked about Allen Tate initially when I first came into the organization and I had no sales experience, I liked that I could ask and I would get. Everybody was extremely helpful and there was a nurturing that went on. Now that I'm a little bit more experienced, I like that they give me as much autonomy as I like to have. So I can, if there's something that I need, I can get it, but at the same time, they allow me to run my business.
You know, I think another thing that I've been very pleased with is I've received a lot of referrals from other Allen Tate agents. And most everyone that I've dealt with has been such a pleasant experience. And I've sent out agent-to-agent referrals too. And I think that says a lot because everybody I've dealt with has been above board and so professional.
They get it. They understand that we're not all alike. We're not one size fits all. There are individual agents, team leaders, and team members, and we all have different needs. And they're willing to make the changes necessary to make it a good fit for everybody in the company.
I absolutely love being an Allen Tate agent. Before I was with Allen Tate, I was with a national franchise company that didn't quite have the presence here in our local area that Allen Tate did. And in cross-sell transactions with Allen Tate agents, I was always so overly impressed with their level of professionalism and expertise that it almost made it a no-brainer for me, because being that Allen Tate is the big dog in town, it felt appropriate that if you can't beat them, you might as well just join them.
One thing that hasn't been said, and I'm trying to figure out the way to say it, what I think a lot of the agents truly don't understand, because you know in this industry, which is all commission-based with agents, everyone wants to talk about commission. But how many companies actually partner with their agents, the way the Tate company partners with their agents? I can't imagine anyone getting into the real estate industry and not sitting down and at least talking with the Allen Tate company. If I had to do it all over again, this would have been my first stop.